Today, we will show you how to install the printhead. Once you get the new printhead, take the inner box out and get the printhead out. Today, we just show you with the old one, but you know how to do it. Follow below steps. First step, install the cable. When we install it, ensure the cable direction must be correctly set up. You can see the printhead has corresponding ribbon cable port that matches the data cable. Insert the metal side of the data cable into the matching metal side of the ribbon cable port. Make sure it is straight and level with the metal contacts aligned. So one is done. Let's do the next one. With the ribbon cable port metal side matching with the data cable metal side. So one side is done. The other side use the same way. Okay, data cable installation completed. During using, ink flies more or less. Once ink splashes into the data cable socket, it may cause a short circuit for the printhead. Step 2. Here, we will suggest you to do a protective measure. Wrap it with electrical tape. Mind, please do not cover the screw holes like this. Third step. After doing this, we can set it up back to the machine. Ensure when you install the printhead with the proper sequence of the ink directions as KCMY. Once installed, the two printheads keep the horizontal aligned with no front to back deviation. Otherwise, any misalignment will affect the smoothness of ink ejection. And here, as the printhead screw holes are made of plastic, apply even pressure when tightening and avoid over-tightening, or you may strip or crack the holes. So far, one printhead is completed with the installation. Then the second one, you can follow the same steps as above mentioned accordingly. Keep in mind, please, metal part, always matching metal part for the cable. And use the protection, tighten the screws. So printhead installed successfully. Next, should perform ink priming and check whether the printhead is properly aligned with the ink pad and that ink flows smoothly. However, since this is a new machine demonstration, so please refer to the separate installation video for this step. So here I just show you the process, not actually carry out the ink priming. Insert each color matched ink sac into the correct color code port on the printhead in the KCMY order. Next, the most important thing. Connect the printhead cable to the headboard cable port. We start from the printhead 2. That will be easy operation for you. So please follow the connection diagram. And here you can see that a small board with the ribbon cable port mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, and until 8. Well, below it is printhead 1 and 2, so both printhead has the 4 cables. Make sure you plug the upper and lower data cable into the red socket on the carriage board. Check that both the numbers and the up and down direction matches. Please don't forget, metal part matches the metal part always. So once you get through all these cables, you can get through it below the ink pipe. And once you insert all these cables to the small board, just using one small board will be fine, and leave the other small board as a spare one. Okay, that's all for the Printhead installation. It is completely done.